MG has launched the Windsor BEV in India. This is their third electric car for the Indian market, and today in this video we're going to tell you features, variants, powertrain and most importantly pricing. So do stick around till the end. Are you enjoying the content of this channel and want to see more about cars like the Windsor EV? Then do hit those like, share and subscribe buttons and also that bell icon to be notified the instant we put out a new video. The Windsor EV is actually a localized version of the international spec Cloud EV and has the same dimensions. It measures 4.3 meters and has a wheelbase of 2.7 meters. And while it may be smaller than the competition in terms of overall length, it actually has the largest wheelbase in the segment due to this being a born electric vehicle. The face of the Windsor EV gets the same cowl-like structure that we saw first on the Comet EV. You get larger LED DRLs with a design similar to what we have seen on the Comet, and you get these low set full LED headlamps with a black applique around them. Move over to the side and you can see these 18-inch alloy wheels which give the car a really premium stance. Other noticeable elements include the short overhangs and the floating roofline, both of which are part of the automaker's Aeroglide design. Oh, and lest we forget, this is only the second car in the segment to get pop-out door handles. Though at the time of making this video, it's unclear if all versions of the car will get these pop-out door handles. Move over to the rear and you can see the full LED tail lamps with a connecting element between them, the chrome garnish below the glass house, and of course the MG and Windsor badging. Surprisingly, there's no internet inside badging on this car, but it comes with a whole load of cool connected tech features which we shall tell you about later in this video. While the exterior is quirky, especially when looking at the competition, once you step inside the car, it's all business here with some very recognizable MG elements as well as some new ones that we can expect to see on future models from the British automaker. One of the major highlights up front is a massive 15.6-inch HD quality display. This display runs the same OS as what you'd get on the Comet as well as the ZS EV, but here it looks much more crisper due to the large size. It has all the standard things like display for the climate control, display for the 360-degree camera, and of course wireless phone mirroring. But something new to this car is also a new Geo package. MG had teamed up with Geo earlier this year to introduce a host of Geo features to MG cars, and Windsor will be the first one to debut this. This includes access to the Geo store as well as the Geo OTT app. MG has been pushing this car as a business class seating experience, and the way it has been doing this is by offering a comprehensive rear seat package.
The USP of this seat is that you can get it to recline up to 135 degrees, giving you that business class seating experience.
This rear seat also gets a center armrest with 2 cup holders, USB charging ports and 1-liter bottle holders in both the doors. Now on the face of it and given the dimensions, the rear seat space is not going to be an issue. More so when you consider this is a BEV and not hit by the legacy that comes with converting an ICE vehicle into an EV. The Windsor in this top spec variant that you can see in our photos gets features like wireless phone mirroring, wireless charger, 360-degree camera, climate control with rear AC vents, connected car technology, the reclining rear seat that can go up to 135 degrees, panoramic sunroof with voice control in multiple languages, Geo app and connectivity, tire pressure monitoring system, 6 airbags, ABS with EBD and a full LED light package. Surprisingly, this MG Windsor for India has not been offered with level 2 ADAS, and that's when you consider that the Aster, the ZS EV and the Hector and Hector Plus all have level 2 ADAS. And what's more, internationally, you can also get the Wuling Cloud with level 2 ADAS in certain markets.
The MG Windsor is being offered with a 38 kWh battery pack having a claimed range of 311 kilometers. The motor powers the front wheels and produces 134 bhp and 200 Nm of torque. And you also get 4 drive modes: Eco, Eco Plus, Normal and Sport. MG has launched the Windsor EV in India with a shock starting price of Rs 9.99 lakh ex-showroom introductory. But this comes with a catch of sorts. The price includes a battery rental of Rs 3.5 per kilometer. And even if you do around 50,000 kilometers a year, that works out to less than 2 lakhs of additional cost over the showroom price.
So there you have it, all the details on the MG Windsor EV. What do you think of the car? Do let us know in the comment section below. And also, we'll be driving the car later this month. So if you want to know anything, you know where to drop us a line. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.